Do you know there's one fruit in India that boosts immunity, slows aging, improves digestion, and even helps prevent cancer? Yes. That's Amla, the Indian gooseberry, the most powerful superfoods in Indian tradition. From ancient Ayurvedic texts to modern nutrition science, Amla is known for its incredible health benefits. In today's video, we'll explore its powerful benefits of it. Welcome to Wellness with Facts. What is Amla? Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a small, green fruit known for its sour taste. Botanically called Phyllanthus emblica, it's packed with vitamin C 600 to 700 mg per 100 g, which is 20x more than oranges. Used in Ayurveda for over 3000 years, Amla balances the tridoshas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. It's a central ingredient in formulations like Chyawanprash and Triphala. Major health benefits of Amla: boosts immunity. High vitamin C improves white blood cell function. Fights viral, bacterial, and fungal infections. Example, regular intake helped reduce respiratory infections by 40% in a study by ICMR in 2021. Number 2. Controls diabetes. Contains chromium, which enhances insulin sensitivity. Study, a 2020 NIN Hyderabad study showed reduced blood glucose in type 2 diabetic patients after 3 months of Amla juice. Number 3. Improves digestion. Amla boosts metabolism, reduces acidity, and acts as a natural laxative. Example, used in Ayurveda to treat constipation and hyperacidity. Number 4. Promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. Rich in antioxidants and amino acids like cysteine. Common use, Amla oil and powder used in hair packs for centuries. Number 5. Improves heart health. Reduces LDL cholesterol, improves HDL. Clinical trial, 2022 AIIMS found reduced triglyceride levels with 500 mg per day Amla extract. Number 6. Supports eye health. Contains carotene and vitamin A precursors. Prevents age-related macular degeneration. Example, tribal use in Northeast India to improve night vision. Number 7. Prevents premature aging. Neutralizes free radicals due to high antioxidants. Supports collagen production, skin elasticity. Used in anti-aging Ayurvedic therapies. Number 8. Enhances liver health and detoxification. Stimulates liver enzymes, flushes out toxins. Prevents fatty liver and jaundice. Used in Panchkarma detox therapies. Diseases prevented by Amla. Yes, what you heard is right. Regular intake of Amla can prevent many diseases. Amla helps prevent many common and chronic illnesses. Type 2 diabetes, hypertension, coronary artery disease, heart disease, liver cirrhosis and fatty liver, peptic ulcers and acidity, anemia, rich in iron-enhancing vitamin C, skin disorders like eczema, pigmentation, age-related vision loss, hair loss and scalp infections. How to use Amla daily? You can include Amla in your daily diet through: Number 1. Raw Amla, one small fruit in the morning, can eat directly. Number 2. Amla juice, 20 to 30 ml juice with warm water, can take with empty stomach. Number 3. 1 teaspoon of Amla powder with honey or water. Number 4. You can also take Amla candy or murabba after meals every day. Number 5. Amla pickle as a meal supplement daily. Number 6. Also use Amla capsules with doctor recommendation, those available in pharmacies. Tip: always use fresh Amla or certified organic products for best results. Who should avoid Amla? While Amla is safe for most people, avoid or consult your doctor in these cases. Low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, Amla may lower sugar further. Bleeding disorders due to its blood thinning effect. During or post-surgery may interfere with healing. People with severe acidity or GERD can irritate in high doses. Pregnant or breastfeeding women always consult an Ayurvedic doctor. Amla is truly a gift from nature rich in nutrients, time-tested by Ayurveda, and now backed by modern research. But like every natural remedy, moderation is key. Add Amla to your routine, eat clean, and stay active. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellness with Facts for more science-backed natural health tips. See you next time with another powerful superfood. Thank you for watching.